Well, today we're going to talk about sets. What is a set? Set is a collection of objects, numbers, and so on. So let's write down this definition here. Before writing down the definition, let's talk about the objectives of today's lecture. We're going to talk about sets. We're going to talk about relations, and finally, a function. So, definition of a set. A set is a collection of objects. It's just a collection. So sometimes it's easy for us to list the objects by counting them. Some other times it's very hard to list and count them. How do we represent a set? We use curly brackets to represent a set. We use this symbol, curly brackets or curly braces. As I mentioned, sometimes it's easy to list all of the elements here. Some other times they have to use set notation to represent the objects in that set. So we denote a set by capital letter like S, A, B, and other capital letters. Well, suppose you have a set. Let S be a set including 4 elements, A, comma B, comma C, comma D. When you see a set, you're interested in understanding how many elements are included in that set. So the first element in this set is A. We say that A is the first element or first member of set S. Very well. So this is the first member of set S. Do we have any mathematical symbol representing an element belonging to a set? Well, I'm glad you asked. We write it this way. We say A belongs to. The symbol that you're using belongs to set S. So A belongs to set S. This is the symbol that we read as belongs to. Let's take a look at the second member, B. B is the second member of set S. Second member of set S. So how do we present that mathematically? We write, hey, B belongs to set S. So again, this symbol, you read it as belongs to, is a member. How about C? Of course, C is a member of set S. We write C belongs to S. How about D? D is the last member of set S. We can write D belongs to S, and we stop. Why is that? This set has only 4 members. So if I write something like this, if I write E belongs to set S, you quickly stop and say, this is not correct. In this case, since E is not a member of this set, we write it this way. We represent this mathematically as E is not a member of S. And you read it as E is not a member of S. So when it comes to a set, you're dealing with members and non-members of a set. I expect you to ask, well, we have 4 members in this set. Do we have a name for that? You can say, since set S has 4 elements or 4 members, we say that the size or cardinality of this set is equal to 4. The size or cardinality of set S is 4. So how do we denote that? We usually use this notation. We say that N of S is equal to 4. So the size or cardinality of set S is equal to 4.